this is Srikanth. Today I will explain about event DAX function. Syntax: event is function name add number. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here. I'm already prepared some data. I am go to new column. Click new column. See this here. Now type event. Okay. Once you read this, returns number rounded up to the nearest even integer. You can use this function for processing items that come. For example, a packet create accepts row of 1 or 2 items. The create is full when the number of items rounded up to the nearest 2 matches the create's capacity. Okay, let's check this event DAX function. Now I'm adding my sales is my sales column. Next, close this parenthesis. See this here. Even is a function name. Sales is a table name and sales is a column name. Okay, let's check this DAX function. See this here. This is even DAX function in Power BI desktop.